Hi knitting friends, in this video I am going to show you how to work Intarsia, which is a color work technique in which you're working sections of color that do not necessarily repeat around the work. So you're working just one portion of a color and then another. And what's important with this technique is making sure that the colors get linked appropriately on the wrong side of the work so that the fabric stays together. So I'm going to demonstrate in this video how to work that link so that you can make sure you're always having the best knit that you can. So I'm going to work up to the spot where I need to go in my pattern. Here on the right side rows, I'm working one stitch in on the dark gray. So I'm going to knit this stitch in the dark gray because that's what my pattern has dictated. And then I'm dropping that gray color. I've finished the gray. In order to link that pink peachy yarn, what I'm going to do is grab it from the right and underneath. So that pink is coming from underneath the gray. It's not wrapping over top, it's underneath and to the right. And then I can begin working that pink. And I'm working up to the center spine right here in the pink. And then I'm ready to pick up the green. And now the same thing is going to happen. You want to pick up your new color underneath the old color. So my green is coming under or behind. See how that pink crosses over the green? And to the right. So you want to make sure that that new color is coming underneath the color we just finished and to the right. So here we go. I'm now ready to pick up my light gray. Again, the same thing. My light gray comes underneath the green and to the right. And I'm making a very exaggerated move there, like an exaggerated show of it so that you can really see. I'm going to finish up the row in Continental so it goes quickly. Alright, so that was my right side row where I picked up all the colors from underneath and to the right. It's the same thing on the wrong side row. This time though, the working yarns are in front of you for purl here. So I'm going to purl until I get to my color change. And then of course I'll demonstrate how to wrap the two colors so that you get that really nice clean look. All right, so here we go. On this row, I just follow the colors as they are. I'm not shifting anything. Again, you'd follow whatever your pattern is. So I've dropped the color that I just completed, the gray, and I'm going to pick up my new color underneath and to the right. So if the two yarns make an X, the color that I just made is on top of the X, going from right to left, and the color that I want to work now is coming underneath towards the right from left to right. Okay, and I'm going to purl those. All right, same thing. My new color gets picked up underneath the old color. So if I want to get pink, I'm putting my hand underneath the old color, grabbing the pink and bringing it to the right. And that's the way to twist the yarns together or link them so that they make this really beautiful, almost seam on the back of the work. So again, I'm dropping my old color, coming underneath it to grab the new color, which starts off on the right. And I'll just finish my row in Continental and turn it around so you can see it. But that is the idea with Intarsia. Your new color gets picked up underneath the old color on the right. So that it comes out to the right of the old color and underneath it. Happy knitting!